Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody left me a message on one of my videos wanting to know. I have 7 pages selected, but if you have 250 pages, they're not going to be all here. Like if I want to go to page 5, I just click on page 5. But if I had 250 pages, I couldn't do that. Well, you can go to Layout, go to Page, and it comes up, and I'm going to go to page 6 and hit Enter. I get page 6. Now we're going to make that a lot easier if we go to Windows, or excuse me, Tools, Options, Customization, and we're going to make a hotkey for that. And you can make it any key that you can think of. So we're going to type in Go, and it comes up right there to go to Page and click on it, and then go to Shortcut key and type in your new shortcut right here. And I'm going to make it alternate P. And I'm going to sign it, and then I've got to say OK. So now when I want to go to page 253 or whatever, I go alternate P, and that little menu comes up, and I can go, I want to go to page 3 or 6 or whatever you have, 253. And it's going to go to that page. So alternate P, let's go to 7 and hit OK. So not a big deal if you, I don't ever work with one page at a time. But if you had 300 pages, this would be very helpful. Anyway, I hope that helped him understand, and thank you for watching.